Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today in this lesson or video we are going to cover managing user and group in Microsoft 365. So as a part of this exercise, we will see how we create users in Microsoft 365 admin center, and then how to set up Microsoft 365 account, and how to set up Microsoft 365 group, and how to use PowerShell to recover the deleted group. So this is our lesson number 2 of learning path 1 of lab number 1. So as I told you that in my previous video that there are three exercises in this learning path or learning path 1. So now guys, before we move to our lab environment, we have an announcement. Guys, we are actually currently we are offering a huge discount on all our products. So you can go visit to our site. melikeinfo.com. So you can visit to this site, and let me show you. So if you go to the courses, so if you click on the course, you have different uh, categories. If you go to the CompTIA, if you go to the A plus, and over here you have different options. You can go for you can book your training for a group, and here you have the options. So you can define your, just fill up the form, and make sure the information that you entered is valid and correct. Okay, and guys, we want referral. We have around thousands of referral worldwide. So if you have someone nearby, so you can get this referral number, so then you will get a lot of discount from us. And if you don't have, then that will be considered. Okay, so we'll see that one also, but we recommend that if you have referral one, then it will be best. So now, thank you. Now let's switch back to our agenda. So first of all, we are going to see how we create users in Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So now guys, if you have already logged in to your profile or to your admin center like Microsoft 365 Admin Center, it's okay. Otherwise you need to log in. Okay, so I have already logged in as my global administrator. So now if you click on the navigation menu, you have the billing, and you have the license, and as you can see that we have So there are different number of licenses, as you can see. So available license 0 0, 20 out of 20 has been assigned. Okay, so now if we go back to our navigation, and you see this users, and click on the active users. And you can see the users who has been assigned with the licenses. So unlicensed, licensed. So you can see the list of the users. So if you click on any of the user here, you see this license, and you see the assigned license. So if you want to remove the licenses, okay, you need to uncheck. If you want to assign license, okay, you have to check the checkbox. Now if you go back, save the changes, so you just remove the license from these users. Now close, and you see this unlicensed. Now if we go back here, license, so you can see that previously it was 20 out of 20, and now there is one license available. Okay, so now we are going to create a user. So go to the active users, and click on add user. Now name, display name, username, and you can see your domain, your tenant. Now automatically create password. So uncheck this one, and then enter a password for the user. And require password to user to change the change, like when user login first time, do you want your user to change the password? If yes, okay. If no, uncheck this or clear this box. Now next, location. So United States, and license. So we are going to assign the license Microsoft 3 Enterprise Mobility Plus Security E5 and Microsoft 365 E5. So both the license we just assign to this user, and the role. Optional setting, role. So admin center access, and so all category, and select the option global global administrator. Global administrator. Now save the changes. Next, and you have finish option. So now we have created the user. Now close, and you can see that the new user has been successfully added or created, and the license has been also assigned to this user. Now so let's proceed to our task 2, setting up Microsoft 365 account. So we are already there in the Microsoft 365 admin center, and we have logged in as the global administrator. Sign out. Now we are going to log in to our Microsoft 365 portal as Holidexel. Sorry. So we have logged in to our admin portal. Click on the app launcher. Click on the admin. Navigation menu. So navigation menu, and you see that we have teams and group, active team and group. Here you have Microsoft 365 group. So in our previous lesson or the video, we had created this Microsoft M365 pilot project. This group we had created before. Click on this. General page. On the general page you can see like click on the membership, and you can see owners, members. Now click on add member and type the 3 character of the user that you want to add. So searching become faster. So we just added Holly Dixon to our M365 pilot project group. So Holly Dixon is member. Now if we go back to active user, you can see there are different users. Guys, let us change the password of a few users. For example, I say okay, click on Johnny Sherman. Reset password. Close. So we have successfully changed the password. Okay, let us change this password also. So we have changed few users password because the password was a default which was given in the lab environment. Now let us see how we actually set up our group. So we have already logged into our Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Click on the menu and here you see this, you have teams and groups, and you have active teams and group. Now if you click here, you have options to add your user, add your group. Select the group type you want. We have four type of groups. Microsoft 365, which is recommended when you work in Microsoft 365 environment, because this is a application based group. So when you create Microsoft 365 group, if it actually create associated group on different applications. For example, it can create a team, it can create a group, it can create a Microsoft Exchange group mailbox, SharePoint site, Microsoft team. Now distribution group is similar like your AD environment. It is used for the email addresses. Security is similar like on your AD environment, security. So you can use security group to control the access to your OneDrive, SharePoint. And mail enable group is actually, it is a hybrid group that includes the feature of both the distribution and the security. So recommended one is the Microsoft 365. I selected Microsoft 365 and going with the default one. I say next. Now enter the name of the group you want. So if you want to define some description, define, say next, assign the owner. So I am going with these two users. Say next. Now add member. Done. So next, specify a mail, a group email, and the privacy is public. And over here you have option add Microsoft Team to your group. So if you uncheck, it is not going to create your team. If you check, that means it will create associated team in the Microsoft team. So if you want to create the team, keep it check. If you don't, uncheck this. Say next and create group. Close. We are going to create another group, Microsoft 365 group. Name of the group, counting. Say next, owner, Johnny Sherman. Done. Say next. Currently we are not going to add the member right now. Okay, so we can add the member at the time of creating the group or anytime you want after creating the group. Say next, group email, we are going with the accounting, and visibility public. Now make sure create a team for this group, checkbox is selected. If you want to create the associated Microsoft team, otherwise uncheck this one. Say next and say create group. Close, refresh, and there you go. Inside sales and accounting group has been created successfully. If you click on the accounting group, you have the membership tab, you have the owner, you can see who is the owner of this group, and if you click on the member and you see that you have the options to add member. So select the member, And now, since the users has been added to this group, if you go here again and click on the membership, click on the member, and you see the user has been added to this group successfully. Now close this. Back here you see this, we have the security option, and here you have different groups. These are security group. Click on add group, select the security group type, select next. Now do you want to assign some as your AD role? If yes, select this option. But did you notice that it did not ask you to add any owner, or even it did not ask you to add a or define an email address, group email address, or even it did not ask you to specify the privacy. The reason, it is security group. Now when it comes to adding member, you cannot add the member during the creation of the group. You have to add the user after creating the group. So say next, and now see this, there is no option for you to add the members. Create group, close, refresh, refresh again, IT admin, and click on members, and now you see this, you have the option. You have the options to add your owner. You can see 0 owner, 0 member. So you have to add right from here. Now if you want, just add the user because it is blank. Add member, Done. Saved. Close. Switching back to Microsoft 365 group, you have group here. So open, delete. So if you delete this user of this group, it is considered as a soft delete. The reason behind it is you can restore the deleted group within 30 days. So if you delete the team or the group, now it has been deleted. Confirm here. Now you see this, it's not there. But it's not mean that it has deleted the user. The user is there. So if you go to the navigation menu, you go to the users, active users, and the user that we had added was Alan. Look at this, the user is there. So Alan and this user was the owner of the group, of that group, and there was Lean, this user was there, Diego was there as a group member. So you see this, the users are still there. So you delete the group but not the users. So where are that deleted group? If you go here, you have option here, deleted. Sorry. Deleted team and group. You see this, deleted group. So if you select this, you can simply restore the group. Okay, you can simply restore the group within a period of 30 days. Suppose that someone delete your group accidentally, or someone you can say unsatisfied and unsatisfied user or your employee has deleted any group, so to take some revenge or something, say any reason. So you have the, as an administrator, you have the options to restore this group. So let us see how we can recover our group with the help of PowerShell. So guys, in our previous lecture, we saw how we install our PowerShell graph. So we have already this. Now the command that we are going to use is this. Then we will log in. So the first command, open PowerShell. Import the module. And connect to Microsoft Graph. Login, password, connect, and run get MG group, MG Microsoft Graph, MG group. So it will show you the list of available group. As you can see that inside sales is not listed here. Now what we need to do is we need to restore our group. So what we are going to do is we are going to run so we just created one variable and here we define our location. Then we are going to use the invoke command and now so it is done. So now run restore your group and now if you run the command get m and you see that inside cells. So if you want you can verify this graphically as well. So go back to your refresh. You see this deleted group is now empty and switch back to home. Active team and group and you see this inside cells. The group has been successfully restored. And if you open this group, you can verify the members and the owner. So if you click on the membership, if you click on the owner and you see the owners and if you click on the members, you can find out the members also. So thank you guys for watching my this video. I hope this video will definitely help you to enhance your knowledge level. Guys, please subscribe my channel, share this link with your colleagues or and friends, ask them to also subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to like and press the bell button, so that whenever I will upload a new video, you will be one to get the latest or you will be the one to get the notification as earliest. So thank you guys, bye bye, have a nice day, and see you in my next video.